Welcome to our channel. If you want to install live channels on Android TV using a free downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Android TV and navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for and install the downloader app. Step 2. Open the downloader app and click on the URL field at the center of the screen. Step 3. Type in the free downloader code for Live Channels app and click Go to start downloading. Step 4. Wait as the APK file downloads to your Android TV device. The progress bar shows download status. Step 5. Once downloaded, you'll see an installation prompt. Click Install to begin the installation. Step 6. After installation finishes, click Done. You may delete the APK file to save storage. Step 7. Return to your Android TV home screen and locate the Live Channels app in your apps list. Step 8. Launch the app and enjoy free access to live television channels including news, entertainment, sports, movies, and international programming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.